Alright, today, me and my friend are going to have a crossbow fight. You ready?
Hi! I did a mess.
Let me get my arrow. Brother, we'll just do it first to hit twice on the opponent, okay?
Alright.
Brother, your arrow's over there.
I know.
Oh, that was so close.
Can't get it.
Oh.
How did I get yours? Bro.
I got that easily, bro.
Oh, you stole mine.
There you go. Yes, I got you.
Not fair. I was picking up my arrow. Oh, yes! Let me get it. I'll get it. It went through your eyes and into your head.
Ooh. Yes.
Ah. Oh my god, I'm literally 1
It's
HP.
in your mouth when you speak.
I'm 1 HP.
Come on, I can win this, I think.
Can I get company?